So, good morning student. This is the chapter surface area and volume.
Surface area and volume. And exercise
Number 10, 13.3. Second question of the exercise. What is the second question of exercise? A metallic sphere of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted and to form a single solid sphere, find the radius of resulting sphere. This is the question. So, write down the question. Metallic sphere of radii.
metallic spheres are radii
6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter.
6 centimeter, 6 centimeters, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively.
Are melted to form a single solid sphere. Are melted to form
single solid sphere.
Find the radius of resulting sphere.
Find the
Radius of
resulting sphere.
This is the question. So how we solve this question? Question is that there are the three spheres having the radius 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. They are melted and form a single sphere, that is the solid. Now find out the radius of the solid sphere. So, dear student, the volume of the all three sphere, the sum of volume of all three sphere is equal to the volume of the solid sphere. Okay? So, let R1, R2, R3 are the radius of metallic spheres. Let R1, R2 and R3 are radii of metallic spheres and capital R is the radius of solid sphere. Now, sum of volume of all three metallic spheres, sum of volume of three metallic spheres equal to volume of solid sphere. Volume of solid sphere. So 4 by 3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3
pi r2 cube 4 by 3 pi r3 cube equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube.
This is our question. So beta anything is common in that 4 by 3 pi as a common. It is r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi is cancelled out. Now, can you put the value of r1 cube? Means 6 cube, 8 cube plus 10 cube. This is equal to capital R cube. Okay? Now, 6 cube, 46 into 6. 260 plus 8 cube 512 plus 1000 by 2 capital R cube. Okay. Now, here 216 plus 512 plus 1000 equal to R cube. Now add it. 8 equal to R cube. Now, can you find the cube root of 1728? This is the 12 cube equal to R cube. So R equal to 12 centimeter answer. So, similarly you can solve remaining other questions of the exercise. The basic concept of the exercise is that conversion of a solid from one shape to other shape. Suppose a cubical shape solid is converged into the cylinder, then volume of cuboid equal to volume of cylinder. And when we converge the cylinder into the cone, the volume of cylinder equal to volume of the cone. Keeping this concept in your mind, you can convert the volume of a figure into the different shape of the figure and find the dimension of that. Suppose a question is how many silver coin, question number 6, coins 1.75 centimeter in diameter and thickness is 2 mm. So it is the shape of the cylinder. Thickness consider as the height and diameter already given. So with the help of diameter you can find out the radius. Must be melted to form a cuboid of dimension this 5.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. So number of coins equal to volume of cuboid upon volume of the cylinder, and divide it, you will get the number of coins. So dear student, please solve this exercise If any doubt is there, you can ask the online classes. Thank you. In next class, I will discuss the chapter circle. Thank you.